Hey innovators, this is AI Al, and I'm back with the AI tool for the first week of May 2024. This time we've got something really exciting for you, Founderpal AI. But first, what does this tool do? It's designed to help you quickly understand your customers and craft smart customer personas in just 5 minutes. Now that's efficient. It's our tool of the week because it's revolutionizing the way you can identify your customers, their objections, and solutions. No more guesswork, just smart, quick insights that save you heaps of time. Imagine you've designed a pen called Galaxy. It's sleek, stylish, and you believe it's the next big thing. You turn to Founderpal AI, just pop in some details about the pen, Galaxy, and voila. In no time, the app analyzes the data and sketches out a detailed customer persona for you. Now, with a clear picture of your ideal buyer, you can craft marketing strategies that speak directly to them, boosting interest and driving sales through the roof. So why wait? Let Founderpal AI help you zoom past the competition. First, search for Founderpal AI in your browser or visit founderpal.ai. Then, from the interface of the tool, click on Get a Perfect Marketing Strategy and then click Start for free. Next, under Create a Free Account, enter a relevant name and email to create your account. After successfully creating the account, click on Create a New Strategy. Then enter your product name. We're entering Galaxy Pen, and then click on Add New Strategy. Leave a quick product description, product price, targeted audience, and product type. Then click on Go to the next step. From here you can add more information or leave the fields as is since they are optional. Then finally click on Generate Persona. In a few seconds it will generate a persona for your product. Now look at the result. It has generated a well-structured customer persona for your product, highlighting your customer's struggles, pain points, and goals. Finally, you can confirm your persona to explore further, or you can generate a different persona. Thank you for joining me on this amazing journey today. Until next time, keep innovating. Want to make money with AI? The AI Innovators Corner newsletter is your ultimate guide. Enjoy a free 1-month trial and get exclusive access to top-tier AI tools and resources. Each month, you'll receive groundbreaking AI updates, the best money-making AI tools, and our Best Tool of the Week feature, along with weekly AI tutorials delivered straight to your inbox. Don't miss out. Check the description for your free trial. No strings attached.